hear me. This mic is working or not, God knows. This is last time I am trying now. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, great. Hi everybody. Today's topic is audible sounds and inaudible sounds. Audible sounds are those sounds which we humans are able to hear, and inaudible sounds are those sounds which we humans are not able to hear. What's the big deal? We are going to learn this topic in detail. The sound that is played in background is so pleasing to hear, right? No, I am not talking about this. Please stop it. This is very irritating sound. Audible sounds can be very pleasing to hear, or maybe it is very irritating to us. Ones which are irritating to us, they are called as noise. They are unwanted and they have irregular vibrations. Sounds are produced by vibrating bodies. But are we able to hear all the sounds which are produced by a vibrating body? In all the cases, we are not able to see the vibrations. But here I have one instrument which is known as kalimba that I am going to show, and you can notice the vibrations in it. It is coconut kalimba thumb piano. It is polished coconut shell and some artwork also you can see on it. It is African musical instrument. The audible frequency for human ears is roughly 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Now what is this Hz? It is the unit of frequency. The number of oscillations completed by vibrating body in 1 second is called as its frequency. The SI unit of frequency is Hz. If the vibrating body completes 50 oscillations in 1 second, its frequency will be 50 Hz. If it completes 280 vibrations in 1 second, its frequency will be 280 Hz. As I told you earlier, the audible range for human ear is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. That means any sound which is below 20 Hz, we will not be able to hear it. And if it is more than 20,000 Hz, that also we will not be able to hear. Sound that is below 20 Hz, that is called as infrasonic sound, and the sound that is above 20,000 Hz, that is called as ultrasonic. Have you seen your dog just barking randomly at nothing? Maybe it is able to hear some sounds which we are not able to hear, and it is irritating it. Are you curious to know who all are able to detect and hear the sounds which are infrasonic or ultrasonic? Animals such as elephants are able to detect sound which is nearly 14 Hz. Infrasounds can travel several kilometers and provide elephants with a private communication system. Some of the whales are also able to detect sound which is somewhere near to 7 Hz. Now let us talk about ultrasonic sounds. Animals like cats, dogs, rats are able to hear the sounds which are above 20,000 Hz. That means they are able to detect the vibrations which are more than 20,000 Hz. Doctors use this ultrasound to study the development of fetus. Ultrasound is very useful in examining body's internal organs. Ultrasound imaging is also known as ultrasound scanning or sonography. Animals such as bats and dolphins send out ultrasound waves and use their echoes or reflective waves to identify locations of objects they cannot see. Anything that we are able to hear, it depends on its frequency and also the amplitude. We will not be able to cover everything in this video. So we will be talking little more about sound and which sound we are able to hear in our next episode. Dear friends, please like the video, subscribe to Q for Curiosity, share with everyone and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.